In the fast-paced world of electric vehicles, innovation is the driving force. Welcome to the Center of Excellence for Electric Vehicles, where the future meets today, transforming industries and shaping skilled professionals for tomorrow. Introducing the EV Tech Lab, a hub for skill development and technological advancements. Here, cutting-edge technology meets hands-on learning. It's where aspiring engineers and technicians hone their skills, explore the latest EV components, and embrace the future of automotive engineering. But that's just the beginning. The Center of Excellence for EV extends its reach to industries and academia, serving as a pivotal training ground for graduates and professionals. It's a sanctuary of knowledge and expertise, fostering research, innovation, and collaboration among passionate minds. Here, research isn't just a possibility, it's a thriving reality. Engineers delve into breakthrough concepts, exploring sustainable energy solutions, battery technologies, and advanced proportional systems, paving the way for a greener, more efficient tomorrow. But innovation doesn't stop there. Enter the Center for Future Skills, a beacon of new technologies and expertise. Bridging academia and industry, this center pioneers lot telematics and cutting-edge advancements. It's not just about training, it's about shaping pioneers in the realm of electric vehicles. Graduates and professionals immerse themselves in vocational training, mastering the intricacies of futuristic tech, whether it's data analytics, connectivity, or sustainable mobility solutions. This center empowers individuals to thrive in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles. The Center of Excellence for Electric Vehicles, where innovation meets education and passion drives progress. Join us on this transformative journey towards a sustainable electric future.